a book called Koko and Penny. What does a special teacher help Koko the gorilla do? Koko is a gorilla. Penny, Patterson, is a woman, but she is like Koko's mom. Koko was very young when Penny began teaching her. Oh, look at that cute gorilla. He's a baby. Penny found baby Koko at a zoo in 1972. Koko was a year old. Koko jumped into Penny's arms. She pulled her near. Penny liked Koko. She wanted to study her. Penny wanted to teach Koko words. She showed her hand signs and signals. At first, Koko mostly asked for things she wanted. She would say words like cookie a lot. This is how Koko says sip. This is how Koko says that she loves something. This is how Koko says toothbrush. But soon Koko could say more. Now she knows over 1,000 words. Wow, that's a lot. When she is happy, Koko shows a smile. When she is sad, she points to her eyes. This means cry. Koko is really clever. Time for kids up there. Then Penny wanted to teach Koko how to do more things. She showed her how to use a pencil and paper. Koko works hard. She may be trying to write her name. Koko likes to write notes and can sign her own name. Oh, that's cute, kitty cat. Koko is very gentle with her pets. When Koko was 12, she would sign the word cat a lot, so Penny gave her a kitten. Koko was really kind to her kitty. She named him Allball. She has had many more pets and has been kind to all of them. These days, Koko has lots of projects that keep her busy. She has a hobby. It is a painting. Koko paints many things. Koko likes to name her paintings. She has done paintings named Bird in Love. Koko and Penny have worked and played together for a long time. Koko and Penny are quite a team. Bye, everyone. Well, I hope you like this channel. If you did, smash that subscribe and like button and give a big thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.